United States.
Name one war fought by the United States in the 1800s.
In the 1800s, the United States fought 4 major wars. 1 to preserve our independence, 1 to preserve the Union, and 2 that expanded our borders. The War of 1812 might have been prevented if the telephone had been invented by then. Britain had repealed the blockade on American shipping that prevented our ships from trading with France. But by the time the news reached the United States, the Congress had declared war on Britain. As in the Revolution, America tried to conquer Canada and again failed. The war ended as it began, with crossed wires. The Battle of New Orleans was fought before news of the peace treaty crossed the ocean. General Andrew Jackson trounced the British and paved his way to the White House. The Mexican-American War started as a border dispute after the Republic of Texas joined the Union. It ended with America as a continental nation. The Civil War ended 2 constitutional crises. No state could leave the Union, and slavery would cease to exist. Remember the Maine? In 1898, the sinking of the battleship Maine in Havana Harbor triggered the Spanish-American War, a short fight against a crumbling empire. America acquired Cuba for a few years, and the Philippines for a few decades, and Puerto Rico and Guam to this day. In Puerto Rico, Teddy Roosevelt rode his victory at San Juan Hill into the New York governor's mansion, and then the vice presidency. After President McKinley's assassination, Teddy moved into the White House. Now he's on Mount Rushmore.
Name one war fought by the United States in the 1800s. Correct answers include War of 1812, Mexican-American War, Civil War, Spanish-American War,